item is greater than middle position value, if the item is greater than middle position value, then we just change the lower limit. If the item is less than middle position value, we are changing the higher limit, upper limit. So anyway, every time we are reducing our array to half. If we don't get the thing in the middle, then we are next time we are going to either the lower half or the upper half. Right? Either the lower half or the upper half. So this process continues until L less than equal to U. So that is our while condition. While condition for the binary search is like this, while less than equal to U. And our L is starting with the 0 and U is starting with the what? Length minus 1. Okay. If there are 10 are there, then our upper limit will be 9. And in between, in the while, inside while, we are finding the middle position. If L plus U by 2. If we are getting it in the middle position, our item, suppose it is item equal A is the RNM, so M is the middle position, then we do flag is equal to 1 and a break. Otherwise, else if item greater than AM, item is greater than AM, then our item is on top. We assume that this is a ascending, this array is ascendingly sorted. We don't know the sorted algorithm yet, but we think that array is already sorted in the ascending order. Then item is bigger than this, means item is in the upper side. So our upper limit will not be tossed. Lower limit is not here now. Lower limit is now just over the middle. Okay. So we have a new lower limit and a upper limit was there. So only to change the lower limit, that is M plus 1. The last condition remaining, that is less than, else part. Else means you don't need to write the item less than a M, because that is the last one, right? If it is not equal, if it is not greater than, then naturally it is the less than. Okay, so you just change the opposite, that is upper limit, because previous one is the lower limit change, now upper limit changed. Okay, just you do the opposite thing. This is what happening, and after this you have, no, this is the while loop. While loop is over. While loop is over. Then after the while loop, just like the linear search program, you can see whether if flag is equal to 0 or not. If flag is equal to 0, you can give the message it is not found. If flag is equal to 1, you can give the message it is found. at this position, at a m plus 1 position. In linear search, you are telling I plus 1 position. This time you can say m plus 1 position. So this is all about your binary search, where you expect that the array should be sorted. This is the precondition. In the exam, it can come. What is the preconditions for the binary search? The array should be sorted. So next thing we are going to see that how the array will be sorted. Okay, how the array can be sorted so that we can use binary search afterwards. So we are not using ourselves, we are not sorting, because we can do ourselves for only 5 or 10 numbers, but where crores of numbers are there, then you need to put the algorithm. You need to put the programs. Okay, so then that will be easier, okay, to do. So first algorithm for sorting is we can discuss. First one we'll discuss, that is selection sort. In the selection sort, let us say the numbers are like this: 20, 5, 3, 21, 8, 80, 7, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, more I can put here, 41 or 12. So how many numbers we have now? 9. Okay, let us give another 6. So 10 numbers we are having. Now, what is the logic? We'll start in the first location. We'll stand in the first location. Okay. First location means which location? 0. Okay. What are the remaining locations? 1 to 9. So, what I have to do, my I is 0, my j is I plus 1 to 9, and okay, so that is I plus 1 to 9, that means it is 1 to 9, 1 to 9. I will check in 1 to 9. Before that, I consider that this is my smallest one. Who is the smallest one? AI. What is its position? I. Then I think that my 0th position is the smallest one. Who is in the 0th position? 12. 12 I am considering the lowest one, smallest one. Actually, is it the smallest one? No. So I have to check the other elements which are 1 to 9. 1 to 9. So I have to check all of them. How I'll check? I'll check if AJ less than AI. Yes or no? That is the thing. That is how we test whether number is smaller or not. Okay. Whoever is coming smaller, then we'll change the S. That is S equal to AI. That time we'll do S is equal to AI. So immediately we are changing the value of S. Okay. And we go forward. Not only we are changing the value of S, we are also changing the value of position. Position that time, this will be what? Aj, because J is moving now. Right? I is not moving. I is fixed. I is fixed with 0. J is moving. So, P is also J. Now, this if condition is over. Right? Loop also will be over. And when loop will be over, you can guess who will be in the, what will be the what will be the value of S at last? What will be the value of S at last? 3. Yes. S will be 3. What will be value of P at last? 0, 1, 2, 3. What will be the value of P at last? 4. So, now my I was fixed with the 0. Right? And I have decided who is the smallest. That is the P position element. That is the fifth one, fourth position. So I have to do now swapping between these two. With whom? P and I. Yes or no? Are P position value with the I position value. So I will first I am putting the in the temporary variable, then I am putting the AI. Immediately I can do AI equal to AP. Okay, right? And AP equal to T. Yes, this is the method of swapping. Okay, so we have swapped. That means here we don't have now 3. We have 12. Here 3. So now this position should be locked. We will go to the I. We will change to 1. We will make it fixed with the 1. When we make it fixed with 1, then J is 2 to last, 2 to 9. Okay. Similarly, who will be in the 2 at last? Who will be 2? I think 5. Yes or no? Yes or no? 5. And this 20 will be going to where it was 5, in the position 3. So now this will be also locked. Okay. Now I will make change my I. Now I will change my I to how much? 2. Clear? Huh? Right? So how long I will do like that? Better to put in a loop. Better to put in a or loop. What will be my last I? Not 9. My last I should be 8. Then only I can do I plus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? So, automatically if 8 is okay, 9 automatically will get okay. Yes or no? If 8 is coming, up to 8 is locked, then 9 is automatically having the highest one. So, I have to write loop. Better to put in the loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 9. I less than. Curly bracket started, curly bracket will be right of less than 9. I told no. If up to 8, this is the 9. 9 is the last position. If up to 8 it is correct, right? Then the next figure is here, yes or no? Automatically biggest on the top. You got it? Okay. This is the sorting of uh, a selection sort. Please write down this side, that side, write down. Binary sort, selection sort, both right.